Hi everyone, today we're gonna make creamy basil chicken. You will need 8 cloves of garlic minced, 1 yellow onion minced, 2 capsicums sliced, for chicken breast. So put the smooth side down and chop off the thigh area. And now cut a slit in between to create the butterfly cut. I'm using clean wraps to cover both sides of the chickens to prevent contaminations. What we're gonna do next is to pound the chicken to create even and thin surface. Marinate the chicken with salt and pepper on both sides. Add a knot of butter into a medium to high heat pan. When it's evenly melted, you can add in your chicken. Allow the chicken to cook for 4 minutes, then flip over on the other side to cook for another 4 minutes. Once it's done, you can remove from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add in 1 tablespoon of butter. Next, add in garlic, onions, sliced capsicum, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, black pepper, salt. Then you can stir and mix it well. Once the capsicum is softened, then you can add in 1/2 cup of white wine. Let it simmer until reduced by half, then turn on low to medium heat and add in 350 ml of thicken cream. Add in salt and pepper to taste. Mix it well, taste it until you find your preferred sauce. Add in 1/2 cup of cheese, then stir until melted into the sauce. Lastly, for the sauce, add in basil, let it simmer until wilted. Then you can add the chicken back and allow warm up if needed. Here I present to you the final product of creamy basil chicken. So I'm pairing it with fettuccine. You can pair with any type of pasta or cauliflower if you're health conscious. And if you try this recipe, let me know.